Here's one for dreamers who took that step. Here's one for every time they jumped without a net. Here's one for misfits who broke the rules, who feared the bar.
Big tummy. 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 Ayun.
A cup of coffee.
Pancake? Why am I saying egg? Pancake. Yumsy.
Yesterday with chocolate, today with
And now, syrup. Wow! Gahapon ko nung gihatag sa iya chocolate na karon syrup ni daw. Sa akin naman Filipino breakfast. Din na naman.
she said make it look nice, but I said it's difficult. You're still in the frame.
Hoy. I'm nice. I look nice. I'm the nicest.
You want to try? You want to try? You want to try?
So then what? Then one grab one person. I don't know.
Oh, can I take your order, sir? I'm taken by surprise. She's got a gentle kindness in her smile and a shining in her eyes. I need for her to see that I am not like other guys. I'll take a 6-piece McNugget and a small order of fries. Well, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one could disagree. You are my fast food fantasy. Burgers with a little more cheese, and her flurries really make you freeze. She pours the coffee with the greatest of ease, while her smile warms it up a few degrees. She bakes a pie, salsa fries, supersized, makes it all look like a breeze. Oh, Jasmine, if I ask you, would you be my fast food squeeze? Oh, Jasmine, you're like the sweetest tea. You fill my heart with glee. Come on along and rescue me. Well, Jasmine, as like the deepest sea, no one